Hello everyone, welcome to Manvi Tapes. So this video is a quick time lapse of the process video of my painting. Soon we'll also share with you of how to sketch horse's anatomy into basic shapes. Cause to get the horses right, you need to get the anatomy correct. And if someone wishes to know how that is done, stay tuned. This painting is a commissioned one and these horses have found a good home for themselves. Hope you like the painting, and if yes, don't forget to leave a comment below and press the like button. For close-up image, you may visit my Instagram page. The beauty about this particular piece is that every layer is a transparent wash, which means you can see each and every stroke that has been applied on it. There is no blending in it, because of which I preferred using acrylic paints for this painting. Moreover, there is another horse painting coming soon, but in digital painting. For that, stay tuned. Thank you for watching Manvi Tapes.